Tired of scrolling through hundreds of hotels on Expedia just to find your favorite brand? You know the feeling. You know you want a Marriott, or a Hilton, or maybe a Hyatt, but you end up flipping through page after page of random properties. It is a huge time suck. I will show you the exact filter to use so you can stop searching and start booking. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the simple steps to filter by property brand, from searching all the way to booking. It is easier than you think. All right, let us get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Expedia.com. Just type it into the address bar and hit enter. Once the homepage loads up, you will see a row of options across the top. You want to click on Stays. That is the one that looks like a little bed icon. This tells Expedia you are looking for a hotel room, not a flight or a car rental. Now, it is time to fill in your trip details. In the search box, enter your destination, so type in the city or area you are heading to. Then select your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure you pick the right number of guests too. If you are bringing kids, remember to add them here. This part is pretty straightforward, but double-check your dates before you move on. Nothing worse than accidentally booking for the wrong weekend. Once you have all that filled in, click the big blue search button. This might take a second to load, and there we go. You are now looking at a list of available hotels for your trip, and here is the really important part. On the results page, look for the section labeled Filters. It is usually on the left-hand side if you are on a desktop, or you might need to tap a button that says Filters if you are on a phone. Go ahead and open that up. You will see a bunch of different categories, things like price range, star rating, guest rating, and a whole lot more. Now, pay close attention to this one. Scroll down through those filter options until you find something called Property Brand. This is the gold mine. When you click on it, a list will pop up with all the major hotel brands that Expedia works with. You will see names like Marriott, Hilton, IHG, Wyndham, and many others. Just put a check mark next to the brand you want. Maybe you always stay at Hilton properties, just tick that box. If you want to include a couple different brands, you can select more than one. Once you make your selection, take a look at the results. They will update instantly. Instead of hundreds of random hotels, you are now seeing only the ones that belong to your chosen brand. It is a complete game changer when you are trying to plan a trip quickly or if you have loyalty points you want to use. So now that we have narrowed things down, go ahead and click on any property that catches your eye. This will open up the hotel's detail page. Here you can see photos, read reviews, check out the amenities, and pick your exact room type. When you find the one you like, just hit the Book Now button and follow the prompts to lock in your reservation. And that is it. From aimlessly scrolling through a massive list to finding exactly what you want in just a few clicks, give this a try on your next trip search. I promise it will save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching and happy travels.